We've just arrived at Ballast Point and we are going to fly the drone. So I don't know if you can tell, but it is like extremely windy. I'm not even sure if I'm game enough to fly the drone, and I got sand in my eye. You can see why I wanted to come here though. So you got a view of the harbour bridge, and you got a view of North Sydney over there, and you got Sydney City, the CBD, mate, and you got this beautiful view right here. I think this is a bit better up here, and it is fucking windy, man. You've got to have a big set of fucking balls to fly your drone in this. I ain't fucking landing that on the ground. No fucking way. Shit is just intense.
How was that?
That was scary. It copes well in the wind.
It's
fucking cold, man. Maybe we should go somewhere else.
Where?
Somewhere like a little bit less windier.
Oh my god, babe! Right, talk to me. What are your thoughts?
Don't crash. Almost killed my girlfriend. So I didn't crash. I crash landed. There's a difference. Crashing and landing. So far, this drone I've crash landed. And I've crash takeoffed.
Whoa, that didn't quite work out.
A crash landing and a crash takeoff. It's better than the fucking thing hitting a wall or falling out of the sky. I'd rather not have done either of them, but oh well. Time to go home.